Now we're going to focus on operations of polynomials, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and, well, we're not going to do division just yet. The first thing we're going to do, we've got the first quantity is negative x squared minus 3x plus 4, and we're subtracting the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 5. In this situation, we need to follow our order of operations, so if there's anything inside of the parentheses that we could simplify first, we would do that. In this problem, there isn't. Then if there were any exponents we needed to worry about, we would do that. Again, there's nothing that we can do with this x squared right now. So now I'm going to distribute this negative 1 to every single piece in that second trinomial. So keeping the first trinomial the same, that's not changing yet. Negative x squared minus 3x plus 4, distributing that negative, minus x squared minus 2x minus 5. And now we're going to combine like terms. I have negative x squared minus x squared, which is negative 2x squared. Negative 3x minus 2x is negative 5x. And 4 minus 5 is negative 1. All that we're doing here is simplifying, so we are done with number 7. Number 8, we have a binomial being multiplied by a trinomial, right? We have the parentheses that are side by side, so we can assume that is multiplication. In this situation, I'm going to distribute everything from the binomial to everything in the trinomial through multiplication. So I have x squared times 3x squared. That leaves me with 3x to the 4th. Add those exponents. X squared times negative x cubed. X squared times 1 is x squared. Now distributing the negative 6. Negative 6 times 3x squared is negative 18x squared. Times negative x is positive 6x. And times 1 is negative 6. And then we combine like terms. There's only one term with x to the 4th, starting with that. There's only one term with x cubed, keeping that. X squared minus 18x squared is negative 17x squared. Only one term that's linear, and only one constant. Four thirds x squared times this trinomial, 6x squared plus 9x minus 12. When we're distributing, I'm going to combine the coefficients with coefficients and the exponents and variables with exponents and variables. So 4 thirds times 6. 4 times 6 is 24, divided by 3 is 8. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. 4 thirds times 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 4 is 12, so plus 12, x to the 3rd. And then 4 thirds times 12 is 16. This one's already in standard form, there's nothing to combine, so we're done. In number 10, we have 3 different binomials that we're multiplying. The thing to do here is just focus on 2 of them, leave one of them alone, it doesn't matter which one, and then worry about that one. So I'm going to focus just on the first 2. It doesn't matter which 2 you pick at the beginning because we're multiplying. It doesn't matter what order we multiply. So I'm just going to go with the first 2 binomials, and I'm going to keep this x plus 3 at the end. So we have x times x, which is x squared, x times 2, so plus 2x, and then negative 1 times x is negative x, negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, and I'm keeping this in parentheses because I'm multiplying that entire term by x plus 3. I'm going to go ahead and simplify these parentheses, that's what PEMDAS says to do. So now we have x squared plus x minus 2 times x plus 3. Now I can distribute everything from the trinomial into everything with the binomial. X squared times x is x cubed plus 3x squared plus x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. Combining like terms, we get x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6.